For 3 days, I drank this simple-looking drink, but what it did to my body was absolutely insane. I woke up feeling lighter, my skin got clearer, my belly deflated, and even my mood changed. And the craziest part, all of this happened without diets, without pills, and without spending money on expensive supplements. But careful, if you do this the wrong way, you can damage your gut, increase inflammation, and end up worse than when you started. So, in this video, I'll show you the exact ingredients, the step-by-step, the biggest mistakes no one talks about, and one extra trick that can transform your body in 24 hours. Watch until the end, because this might be the natural reset your body has been begging for. Every single day, your body is under attack, and you don't even notice toxins in cosmetics, pesticides in food, plastics in water, heavy metals in fuel. Of that gets into your system without asking and overloads your main detox organs like the liver, gut, kidneys, and skin. The result: to wake up tired, bloated, with no energy, with aches you can't explain, and even if you eat clean or work out, nothing seems to change. The problem isn't you. The problem is your body is full of built-up waste, and that's where this drink comes in. It works like a reset button. It's like pressing something invisible that makes your body start working properly again, with more energy, more focus, and less inflammation. But it's not just about drinking it in. The next minute, I'll show you the main ingredient, and I bet no one ever explained its real power. This is the ingredient that changed everything for me. It's cheap. It's in almost every home, but most people use it wrong or don't even realize how powerful it is. I'm talking about lemon. Yeah, lemon, but not the way you think. The secret is drinking warm lemon water right after waking up on an empty stomach. And before you think this is just another internet trend, studies show this combo activates liver enzymes, stimulates bile flow, and helps flush out toxins from the day before. Plus, lemon has a compound called D-limonene that protects the liver and reduces gut inflammation. But don't mess it up if you use cold water or bottled lemon juice. It won't work. It has to be fresh lemon squeezed right before with warm water. And that's just the start, because the next ingredient is the real detox booster that almost no one uses daily. Get ready, because this next one is controversial. Some say it's dangerous, others swear it's a miracle. Talking about raw apple cider vinegar, the one with the mother at the bottom. Here's why: if used right, it balances your body's pH, improves digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and even helps reduce belly fat. But here's the problem: people take it straight, mix it with random stuff, or buy low-quality brands full of additives. And what happens? They ruin their teeth, irritate their stomach, and blame the vinegar. The truth is, this 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar with warm water and lemon is one of the most powerful natural detox drinks out there, and has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. And I felt it by day. To my belly was less bloated, and my crazy appetite was gone. But hold on, there are still 2 secret ingredients that work like natural anti-inflammatories and supercharge the whole thing. One of them is used by high-performance athletes and functional doctors, but almost no one knows about it. Now we're getting to it. These 2 ingredients made a real difference there. Not expensive, not in capsules, and not hidden behind marketing them. First one is fresh ginger. What most people don't know is that ginger triggers thermogenesis, which speeds up metabolism and boosts the lymphatic system, helping your body clear toxins faster. Also reduces inflammation, improves digestion, and lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, but it has to be grated fresh and mixed while the water is still warm, otherwise it loses most of its power. And now, the most underrated ingredient of all, turmeric. With black pepper, turmeric is one of the most researched natural anti-inflammatories on the planet. But without black pepper, your body can't absorb it with the right combo. It works as a deep detox, supports liver function, cleans the gut, and even improves brain health. After I added these 2, I started waking up lighter, with more mental clarity, and no more crazy cravings. And at the end of this video, I'll reveal the full 3-day protocol to follow step by step. But first, let me show you the mistakes that ruin everything for most people. A lot of people try this detox drink, but they feel nothing because they make basic mistakes that cancel out all the benefits. First mistake is using cheap vinegar full of additives and no mother, which means no living enzymes and zero effect. The second mistake is using cold or iced water. It has to be warm. That's what kickstarts your digestion in the morning. Cold water slows everything down and can cause discomfort. And the third and most common mistake is eating junk while doing the detox. Sugar, white bread, fried food, soda, all of that keeps your body inflamed and blocks the cleanse. If you drink the detox but keep toxic habits, your body gets confused and it just doesn't work. Now that, you know what, not to dull at me, give you the exact 3-day protocol I used with the right ingredients, the schedule, and one bedtime trick that changed the game. If you really want to feel the results, here's the exact detox protocol you can start tomorrow, right? After waking up on an empty stomach, mix 200 milliliters of warm water juice of half a fresh lemon, 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar with the mother, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, a pinch of turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper. Stir well and drink slowly. Wait 20 to 30 minutes before eating anything during the day. Avoid inflammatory foods like sugar, white flour, fried foods, and soda. Eat as clean as possible: fruits, steamed veggies, brown rice, light fish, and lots of water. And before bed, here's the secret trick: drink a glass of water with 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or psyllium. This works like a natural broom in your gut, helps push out toxins, improves digestion, and it supports inflammation recovery while you sleep. After 3 days, you'll feel more energy, less bloating, clearer thinking, and maybe even a flattered belly in the mirror. But remember, the results only come with consistency and implementing them. Now comes the most important part of this video. This video helped your body. The next one will transform your mind, because millions of people are doing this every day and slowly killing their brain without knowing. The next video, you'll discover the 3 worst habits that destroy your mental energy, increase anxiety, and kill your focus. And the best part, you'll learn how to reverse all of it with small daily changes. So hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, and share this video with someone who needs a full body and mind detox. Here at Ruvian, we use natural science to transform your body and your life every single day.